Alright. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana. Ètò náà rèé. VIP. Èyí òkè wọn gbóhùn sókè jọ o. Ọmọ elédè ló ń pèdè ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. A máa ń gbádùn ẹ̀ jù. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana. Indi VIP. VIP.
Una well done by people of Indiana. I don't come again for this program wey we call the Indi VIP. Before we start, my name na MC Eyoge 1. You no go ask me say why are they speaking pidgin today? You get why? Because I bring somebody wey dey the state of Indiana. This person tanda very well. E go make you laugh until you forget your name. Yes, so make you sit down very well, make you watch this program today. But before we start, make I say a big thank you, a big gbosa, 3 gbosa for the Proof Motors for your help wey dey do for us every time. KS Logistics, I carry yansh for you. Make you go meet our visitor today, MC Ugonolistiku. You go laugh today, and I don't even tire for this guy matter because sometimes like that, if they call himself American Chief Priest, Ugonolistiku, abeg, make we know you. Who you be, sef?
Ladies and gentlemen, una know I dey be pass now. You know, they say not be today yansh dey back. And as una know, I be Ugonolistika. They call me American Chief Priest, and my correct title, confirmed title, Oklahoma Professor. I be the Oklahoma Professor.
Oklahoma Professor. I don't forget that one.
Professor,
so Ugonolistiku, abeg, make you tell us your full name, your real name.
Okay, Ugono Emmanuel. I just add a listica to my papa name to make Ugonolistika.
So now your papa name you dey take do comedy?
Yeah.
Ugono Emmanuel.
Yeah. Then
wow.
I just add listica because Ugono na name of small town for Delta State.
Okay.
Then
so
listica na international, so na local map pikin wey go international.
So that Ugono, you say na small town for Edo State?
For Delta State.
For Delta State.
Yeah.
Your papa be chief, abi, or I chief?
No, the one not be chief for.
Why they can't name a town after your papa?
The matter it will get level now.
Na levels, now wow.
Na
so you even they call yourself American Chief Priest and Oklahoma Professor. So what thing bring about those names?
You know, I not be just comedian. I be author.
Author, you dey write
scripts?
Yeah,
I dey write books.
Books?
Yeah, I think the last one I published for Bloomington here in 2015, The Impact of Corruption in Africa. So I don't bear that title Professor right from school days.
Oh, now
yeah,
you make
as I enter here, I say, okay, which name go catch people attention? Oklahoma. I say, yeah.
Oklahoma. So make I tell you, make I ask you, you don't ever be to Oklahoma City before? You never go there, but
Tulsa. I don't reach Tulsa.
But you know reach Oklahoma.
Na city for Oklahoma.
I know. Okay, now city for Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Now wow. So before I ask you, say when you reach Indiana, but because I dey always hear some people they say, Ugonolistiku don dey do comedy for long. I beg, China for this Yankee, you start your comedy, abi you don't take.
You don't take now. Like officially, I start comedy 2010. That's secular comedy, but for campus like 2006. But generally, like public speaking, I don't do public speaking since 2003.
Wow.
Since 2003. Yeah, I don't talk to public since 2003. Right from SU for school, Sunday school teacher, organizer of one seminar called Knowing Your Worth, then as a major MC for school back then. So until I win CGM Got Talent Season 1, 2009. After I win CGM Got Talent Season 1, then I win Rhythm Attack Season 2. Rhythm Attack na Hexagon and Silverbird, the organizer.
Yeah, I think I remember that Rhythm Attack.
Yeah, one
is for comedians.
Yeah, no, one is Rhythm or Plug, one is Rhythm Attack.
I think I remember that. Even like I say I don't watch one before when I did Nigeria.
So like me and Mikolo win Rhythm Attack Season 1. So from there, Hexagon just take us as their like small signing. Yeah. And a small money that they give us.
So you don't pay, no be today.
I don't pay what they do.
Wait, they do comedy. So apart from the Rhythm Attack and all the ones where you win, you don't partake or you don't feature for any major comedy comedy show for Nigeria before?
Of course. Like, comedy different from every other branch of entertainment for
I know.
Nigeria. Like,
I sabi am.
yeah, it's very, very disciplined. Like, you get with the call senior colleague.
I know.
Everybody get class.
Then they give honor.
So like, you know, be like music when person fit grow up tomorrow.
Go feature somebody.
The rock shoulder with, like, yeah. So like, I don't start shows like people like Buchi.
I know Buchi.
Yeah. Buchi now one of the Daniel the humorous now one of the people when they say that they show up each time when they do CGM Got Talent. So and people like Agodai, people like Maliki, people like Godfather. Those one are my mentor. Like once you do Hexagon, you must meet with those people. So like I don't roll with almost all the top comedians. Like it gets show when my friend youngest Lalo they do back then. That was the first time when I did meet Elenu. Yeah, so all the big comedians from Nigeria they come. Now me, I be the official host. Me and Obaro, yeah, will be now we the host. Comedy injection back then Benin. So I don't share stage with almost all the big.
So for Nigeria, na Benin you live. I been in Lagos.
Yeah, na Benin base.
Oh, now you be Benin base.
Yeah, but I dey go Lagos.
The Benin people they don't get joy.
I dey go Lagos. They do shows. They
come back.
Yeah, they do shows.
So when you come reach this state of Indiana itself?
I entered here 2013.
Maybe
before my birthday.
Like I give you small, like cartoon not because for
it be like cola.
Make they do something as they talk. I dey hear you.
It be like cola.
I'm telling you, they go now.
Yeah, so I reached here 2013 July. July. So, but when I arrived in the like the old proverb, when far reach town and one leg they drop for ground.
I know, right?
Before you go drop the other one. So I studied the environment. I think my first show when I perform here now, Taste of Africa. Taste of Africa now the biggest African event for India because it comprises from Angola to Zimbabwe. Everybody they show up, and the first one for Lafayette Square Mall. So that now Dr. Shola be the president, then one other guy from Guinea as the secretary. So after that time, after I performed for 2013 October, when they see how I do things, they just make me the official MC. So now me the host Taste of Africa. And I'm be the official MC.
The thing we say, MC journalistically.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie you. I dey see that interest in you for this Indiana. I dey see say you dey push, especially this comedy. Several times you don't bring Elenu and Mr. Patrick. You dey push am for this Indiana. So the question I want to ask you is say, as you dey try to do all this comedy, all these shows. Because na the thing we don't dey body, don't dey your blood. So you don't want to leave them as you reach Obodo Yimbo here. So you get any challenges when una dey face, to dey do all these things?
Yeah, definitely challenges there. Like when I reached Indiana, 2013, not like comedy show. Even all this major show, like Indiana don't really grow. Like we don't upgrade well. All this major show where they see big artists, they come, they go now Fuji, this thing, you go there, hear Fuji music, eat asun, then go house. Yeah. So, but at least things don't change. Like
and then Sabi do asun for this state.
People get PhD for asun. Even when you see people face, you go know say this person not be today they begin they do asun.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. So the major challenge, like people they use to a particular type of show, and change not be what they do overnight. Like it take time. It take time to change the dynamics. Like if you comedy shows, what we don't do, we they see improvement. See my Ghana, if they do another one tomorrow, like the turnout already, the response is wow already. So people don't already make up their mind. Say, I want to just go show, go there, listen to Fuji, chop asu there, go house. Then if if you can't do any other show different from that, people like, okay, wait till this guy they try they do.
I know.
So like now the challenge, but
They don't they used to that old style.
yeah. So people don't already there to okay, let's go there here. So that's why if they do other major show, they bring comedian in, you surprised say people just they talk, they go. I like how they talk, joke not feel funny when people they talk. You know, like in a distraction.
Oh, people know they listen. Then they
just
talk
they talk, they go because they don't they used to rap. That's why we they hear people. That one bring to another point because as a comedian, now two way things. If you hold mic, people normally see you go offensive. That's the only way people
then go feel listen to
you. Because now two things, it's either you are cracking joke or you become the joke. If you hold mic now, you they talk, people no laugh or they just do their own. Not be like music. Comedy, people need to laugh, people need to clap. It not be like music, whether people clap, they laugh, it don't mean anything. But comedy, like people need to laugh because that's why it be comedy. And for people to laugh, people need to listen. And once people know they listen, you have to go offensive. If you not go offensive, you become the joke. And such yapping, when you begin to yap people, they tease people, you don't mean anything. A part of the show, everybody catch from. I know one guy went follow me keep my list for like 3 months for this time.
Because you yabba for
I yabba. So I
can't take a personal.
You take a personal. I was like, I always say, Baba, this your belly, you big, we go do baby shower for you. Like simple joke, but
not just joke.
People know that. I should say that guy get you that day for nothing.
He go kill you.
But this she not going.
Therefore, if you don't know, say you be committed.
Yeah, but you know what? When the guy come meet me for another show for the proof here, when I dey scatter everywhere, the guy laugh because shake me. You see what we dey talk. So the most the challenge what we dey face be say most people they very stereotype, like they don't tailor to a particular.
I understand.
Pattern of show.
They don't want change.
But people don't they see the
Say in Indiana now fashion don't dey another level for Indiana. Everybody want the photo shoot, everything. So I know say we supposed to dey improve every time,
Exactly.
So wetin you dey plan now, wetin you dey cook up now, make we dey expect.
I get like 2 major shows when they come.
For this year, 2021.
Yeah. Because last year we supposed to do US.
Na Corona.
Yeah, we supposed to do US tour with Patrick and Chief Obi. But I did in charge of Indiana and Chicago, and I made organize Indiana and Chicago, but the Corona messed up everything.
I know.
So now they try they change the dynamics because one old proverb they will say, if you use yesterday techniques for today business, you go day out of tomorrow business.
I'm telling you.
So like now, what we need to do, you see what they do now.
I know.
You don't require much crowd.
Ben, that's so.
And you see they carry people along.
That's so.
Despite the Corona. So now I get 2 program coming up. One powerful immigrant.
Okay.
Yeah, so that one will be like serious.
Okay.
Yeah, with few characters.
So make it the expect am, make we watch out.
Yeah, we are cooking something.
So make it just give us something and make it laugh. Don't forget our day before we dance. We go listicle.
Inside this kind of corner, I person will crack you. Who want finish myself?
I'm telling you, you guys are they see something when they come out from your nose. You can't come here. You walk. You don't drive?
Yeah, bicycle I use.
I know that because I just go, they catch you. I don't tire for you.
You know my people you know as they be past now. Nah, yeah.
I give you catch on maybe something go come up.
Now breakfast. Why you want turn this to breakfast?
It's sweet too.
Now breakfast from go better place go is not the
for the proof restaurant, right?
You want to cashew to this one. My people, more do sharply as they hot. You know. Now the other say, "I sure get peace of mind. I carry mess go market." And then when school reach ending of part 4 to know say one jump, and I meet the talker. No man dey lawyer reach man when it lasts 45 seconds. At that time you will hear, baby, do you want to charge your phone? Do you need new sneakers? That's why
because don't do a reach.
Maybe before the full light even oil spillage. That's why I would say. If you say Akata they buy Viagra, give their husband. They buy Viagra, give their boyfriend. That's how they say African women, not be all this No, you buy Fakpataya or Kola Kagbo. confirm African woman need to buy alomo everything give the man because
now
you know say
kind advice wey you gonna dey.
yeah because in America this you comot for AC enter AC everywhere cool Fanta even if you go mechanic shop they get Coke they get biscuits cookies everywhere so plantain could dey die for America if you are not disciplined everywhere vegetable oil that's why we dey tell people so me I dey advise people na me that they go African
shop. As an American chief priest. Oh, make you tell us this one now. I don't tire for you.
Because you see this people just dey chop vegetable oil every day. Make that they go African store go dey buy red oil, palm oil. Because vegetable oil e dey keep plantain. I know say when plantain finish for e be like when cassava finish for farm the road go block. When plantain die for marriage, that marriage don't end. Thank
you for the listen. As I say make you come. I'm not gonna lie you, bro. You dey do well.
The whole the MC with the
MSC.
Go invite me now come.
Now wow, I really appreciate you, bro. And thank you for the support you dey do every time. May God bless you. But we get one tradition for this program. If you come, you must dance. You sabi dance?
Girls they dance.
Make we stand up and dance, dog.
Chief priest they dance.
That's the winner. Give us music. Let's go.
Alright. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana ètò náà rèé VIP. Èyí òkè wọn gbóhùn sókè jọ o. Ọmọ elédè ló ń pèdè ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. A máa ń gbádùn ẹ̀ jù o. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana VIP. Ètò náà rèé lórí afẹ́fẹ́. Èyí òkè wọn lólóòtú ètò yìí. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n gbé ètò yìí ó lóye. Gbajúmọ̀ ní Indiana ló létò yìí o. G-Mighty ètò yìí kọ́ ni lọ́gbọ́n amúnú ẹ̀dùn. Gbogbo ayé ló fẹ́ gbóhùn ẹ̀ yéyé oge gbóhùn sókè. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana VIP.
I don't tire for your bed, Papa.
Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana VIP.
That's how we take come to the end of the show today. See the person wey come into the person dey speak pidgin. Because all these people now God will judge you. Thank you very much, and everybody at home wey watch the Indie VIP show. I dey tell you say the Indie VIP Award 2 dey come this year. Hey, I am telling you, you go enjoy am. The Brook Motors, I thank you. Care for this piece, I carry news for you. See you next week for another episode on the Indie VIP. Bye bye, yo.
Alright. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana ètò náà rèé VIP. Èyí òkè wọn gbóhùn sókè jọ o. Ọmọ elédè ló ń pèdè ọmọ ọlọ́rọ̀ ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. A máa ń gbádùn ẹ̀ jù o. Gbajúmọ̀ Indiana VIP. Ètò náà rèé lórí afẹ́fẹ́. Èyí òkè wọn lólóòtú ètò yìí. Ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n gbé ètò yìí ó lóye. Gbajúmọ̀.